Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you some tips to make your logo that you just created using Canva to look really sharp, because it's very important to make your logo sharp and clear. So when you print or display the logo on a website, or you want to print it on a t-shirt, it's going to look as good as possible. So there are a few things that you need to know. First, make sure that when you are designing the logo, you are using high resolution asset. You don't want to use asset that is low resolution. If the content or the asset was low resolution, you could upscale it using AI. Canva actually has an upscaling AI as well if you want to make it sharper. And secondly, when you want to export the file, you want to get the logo as an image, you have to select the right format. So go to the share menu, click download, and if you prefer to use PNG, which is probably the best or the most popular format, I do recommend to increase the size to maybe 1500, or depending on what sizes that you're using. So by default, Canva using 500 pixel, and I think it's okay, but sometimes you want to increase the number, maybe double or triple the original size. And after that, other than PNG, you could also use SVG. SVG is another great format, especially if you want to if you want to zoom in the logo to pretty much infinite level and stay sharp, then you want to select this format. And after that, you can click download. I actually have downloaded the PNG and the SVG version, and I'll show you how they stack up. So I have this PNG file, and I'm going to I want to zoom it to 500%. And as you can see, it's so blurry. It's not blurry, it's kind of pixelated. You can see the edges is not sharp anymore. And that is the reality of using a PNG file. But if you are using SVG, you could zoom in to 500% and it stays really sharp. That's the benefit of using SVG. Although SVG is not a very popular format, especially outside the bubble of web design or graphic design. So just keep that in mind if you want to use this format for other purposes. So anyway, that's basically the tips to make your logo on Canva to look really sharp. In any case, I hope you find this video helpful, and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more tutorials like this.